FM. Like our page, share our page, comment on the page. And if you want to contribute to the program, that is the only opportunity you have where your text, your messages can be read. And to your Facebook page, SOMPA 106.5 FM. Like the page, comment on the page, and then share the page for us. And also remember, say, it could be any message at all, any wishes, birthday wishes, whatever message that you have relating to this particular program. Remember, so the fawa break na ya can the amount. Shannon Subio says, show it's also live on YouTube. So, Bomoding na ko YouTuber, Bomoding na share SOMPA 106.5 FM live. SOMPA 106.5 FM live. Also make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. And then come on, funny yedefa. Me GDP say what te waso person who bebia and then come on ebefa. But the titiu ayan komo bia enua etodwa. Na efa hwan ho. Efa the suspended Chief Justice aye mame tokono ono na nkomo yi efa ho Justice Gertrude Saki tokono ono na nkomo yi efa ho enura oye pressure bi na sa pressure na oye ye no ensem bebre e na piefi mu ensem be na piefi mu penim say wanya adaji entia sabre die benim say ye be bo baby kakra e de amao. But before then, reliably I'm informed this afternoon that it's live on SOMPA 106.1 FM of Tachiman. And Tachiman this year, Bunu Easter this year, more Tebubu, more Kintampo, more Hafo, more Bunu region, Amuti Nana, Yamama Akwaba Soronko. And again, reliably, it's also live on SOMPA 101.1 FM. Takwa. And this year, we want to say we are grateful for the time you are spending with us this afternoon live here on the show that gets you informed. Also, we also want to say this afternoon, ABOCHIE's voice would be on. What exactly would be the issue? But I'll be telling you, perhaps, after I have made mention of our proud sponsors for today's program. My Enkai say, Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. That's why I said, so yare kwankro now do we need to wow one maternity at the amount. Hajia Special Foods, your local foods. Say ya banku mutu ni di akika ho nyina no. Womo eso ya sere kese pa ye de for God encounter jubadi no. Ebremo newi on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Electroland Ghana Limited. Yadam say electronics na motong. You have all the products. Show no cost no machiro baby akwa ubenye bi ato. Ahumka pain relieving heat patch. Kama pa a boy juma. Baby ye bia de taso a. Me patcho ya ade a ubenya wayare san tempa. Na sakai bi say Medimba Full Herbal Center. Hey, Dr. Time Daso. Aso asene a enewi yede for God encounter jubadi no bremo. Na medical can say enen komo no ebe de na say den komo no be de no. I believe say somebody some no to dwawie na office say you have a divergent view. And as some na me kan no woni me nya adwen na so ni me ya adwen a bomodin na koye Facebook wall SOMPA 106.5 FM. Then leave your comment there. You better give ready. I can comment in the amount. Now, none way. I'm saying run. I said no pay. And issue be about to drop. Now issue then say Ghana ha. I forfeit the bia ye benya ewo Ghana ha. As I forfeit dano. Ebe si eda draw. Eda bna. Eda ukuo no. You see, you never call a year that fiada. So much I say. You never call that fiada. Any Saturday, ana da kwesiada entino se hyanon so afofi da bia yebedi wo Ghana ha se da no si eda jo a se si eda brada eda wuku a sa da no afofi da no ye de ko hye eye fiada na afofi da no so si eye memli da eni kwesiada afofi da no ye de ko eye adwada. Why this? Yebabo modern na yedi ho nkomo endewie on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Na sashe no nsubio say the 4th of August. Saadano, yase saadano eye Founders Day. Minimo ka say saadano ye pia akwakwahye 21st September 2025. And every year September 21st, no, Sadano enebeye den eye Founders Day. Na mpacho eye den na we gine see as and when the programs e course ni nyina no ye beje brena ye de atomanim. Adura da samik bon komo me bo ano ho ba se eye Chief Justice between Stockholm no eye ade a okasa ya wo de nsam bi atudwa na nsam be na o de tudwa abusuan mo man ko me enko tie between Stockholm Brasisia.
Unfortunately, every step of the removal process being undertaken against is being done in a manner that breaks every rule on how justice is delivered in our country. And this is why I find the need to draw the nation's attention to the serious violations of the Constitution and law in the process, and the danger it holds for the development of the nation's democracy. I mean, the process alone, its effects were far beyond me as a person. This process will affect how all Superior Court justices and future Chief Justices may be removed from office.
Enti when run komo some excepts bia ye de abetudwa e de ama etiefo a wotie SOMPA 106.5 FM. Dan komo ito dwe ya ye mamidi pressure wie ya ana Felix Ofosu-Kwakye a okasa ma aban no enso ba bonten e de ensam bi ebetudwa mo ban ko tie de ono so de tudwa.
A number of things were said at the media engagement that if left uncorrected could create an erroneous impression and project government in a very unfair, unjust, unwarranted light. To begin with, we respect the right of Her Ladyship, the Chief Justice, to express any view that she holds about the matter in question, to the extent that it is consistent with the rules, because the Constitution makes it clear what the processes are in determining a matter of the sort that we are engaged with. The Constitution requires confidentiality on the part of all parties. It is a reason why the presidency, on behalf of His Excellency the President, has refrained from commentary on the matter beyond stating what the President has done in compliance with the Constitution. So it would have been desirable that that constitutional provision was respected by Her Ladyship the Chief Justice, so that we do not have to engage in public commentary up until the time that the committee looking into the matter makes their determination. We are compelled, however, to correct certain misimpressions that were created at the briefing. To begin with, let me point out that as yet, nobody has been able to ascribe any known verifiable constitutional breach to the President in the way that he has handled this particular matter. From the very first steps in this matter, the President has kept fidelity to the Constitution and has respected the spirit and letter of the Constitution. Everything he has done has been by the book. That is why all those who have commented on the matter, including Her Ladyship the Chief Justice, have been unable to point to any specific provision under Article 146 that the president has been in breach of. Second, in terms of confidentiality, the president has acted strictly in accordance with the Constitution. At no point in time has the presidency put out anything in any way, shape, or form that remotely resembles any of the contents of the petition. And the only communication that has gone out on this matter have been about the steps that the president has taken in accordance with the 1992 Constitution, Article 146 to be precise. 3, her ladyship, the Chief Justice, all but insinuated that there was some political agenda at play to oust her, and that this whole process is a result of sin. Let me place on record, without fear of contradiction, and let me be clear that no such political agenda exists.
Abusuafo Felix Ofosuku Achirate say me born the voice wabra eye mami eye ne pressa wie ye na ono so obekasa ye enti ababo modern pa na yenim animdifo ene wie akasa fa sasami hu live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. But for now, Abochie's voice ye de bremo atwas hanyum we what say boa that Abochie's voice and about wakwemu and na wie asam bi hame asam bi chire ma adwene anu am da ho me bisa me hu saa enso menya anu ye papa bia bisem asam na hame chese menya anu ye papa bia ase omanya yetimu sesia no aye yamanyofo a yeni wo oman mu ha sesia. Every institution na ewo Ghana ha omo di abanyosem akwakorem. Every institution, name the institutions, bebia abanyosem ewura ho. Right from education, right from health, right from our security services. And now it is finding its way into our judiciary. 4 or 5 years gone by, our electoral commission also faced that same problem. And I wasn't surprised yesterday when the national chairman of the NDC came out saying that nipa menyen se bia wo mu ye djuma e wo electoral commission sankofo ni gina e wo so omko. Why should that be? I'm asking Ghana for me bisamo adentina wo se ba na sa chese ye di yam amanyosam asai ye bibia e wo krom ha. Se wonam kra na wanhwe ye na of to atade bi na o de hye na colors bi ko piem pe because hey woni pay we party A and now we party B. Why must it be so? Why is the sense of the national cohesion, that national income in Miadono, why is it now? Our politicians have destroyed every fabric of our society with their politics. Why? I didn't know what says sir. It is very painful, and sometimes when I sit down and go deep into myself, but to be someone who say, why have we as a country allowed our politicians to be toiling with our institutions which are not supposed to be politicized? Now the judiciary, look at what happened yesterday. Ghana, this in Rwanda, and it has never happened in the history of this country. Sir, ya suspended a chief justice. Na onu ababonten na in somewhere constitution na kase. E was some din wo kukuo mu no. Wa be hwe ni na egu abonten. Has it ever happened in the history of this country? This is the first time it has happened. So what should this tell you? And then Rasa Utiena, in someone who walk a cano, she referred to say, Asamno a Yamanyo 17, ye treating us, Sankanya Manyo Samoa, and she wouldn't have been suspended. That is what she alleges to. But who gonna near who no? Maybe I say Sanetiana. Because when the NDC government was in opposition, we had comments that suggested that Samuba Omeyin Efriho. We had those comments. Samuba Omeyin Efriho. And that's exactly what is going on. Even though the constitution, Ghana, Amamrano, Emma Quince, Chief Justice, Oda Aye, the court, Ahuduanu, our Memuha, Ayam from Swa. Emrama who Quince, Yadenefa, Aye, Emra Quinso. Na Yabiso, Nyama Bain no no ya, Emranati Mikase. Yabetimi a suspended no. Anasi yabetimi yino efi akonya so. One, it says that se niparo ana chief justice no ti akonya no so no. Odi aya boni bia yabetimi aka na obrofo kasam say some misbehavior yabetimi yino efri ho. Yeka misbehavior asechere another saying Odi niamo husam whilst in office ye betimi yi na free ho. Ebiom emranika se ombo ne hu moden ombo number e wadwuma na o ye ne mu a eno so ye betimi yi na free ho. Then the third one says that Sir Chief Justice say onya adwemu how anagade be dokuno to the extent say ontimi nya adwuma ene betimi yi na free ho. Now question ami bisa Ghana for on say petitions are womu di aba say yemfa nyino emfiri ho no. Sa petitions no, was there a stated misbehavior? Is she competent? And I say one year competent. Minimum kasai osasu tiapo. So why are politicians? What is happening? There are somewhere ekosonea ebimu ayedin afaho amon pese omo kebilo. Yana nanu ahemfo a wo mo omamu ha wo ayedin asofo chochoro asofo mpanyifo omo omamu ha omo nyina aka omado anatum no. A serious issue. Aya dia be ha adwen se ochira yakoto aba sesi a na MPP amanyoko no so di nkunimu a I say that's a Chief Justice. Oya John Mahama, His Excellency, President Otis here. Honor they will buy it. They will also find fault with you and make sure they kick you out of that office.
SOMPA FM.
Once a Charlotte said they see our electoral commission. Some people were supporting it. They were supporting it. I mean the New Patriotic Party. Now NDC for so try that draw. So you see, today, wabra ye eye talk on MPP. Then I do appointing the core honor. One say when you listen to the political climate in Komwa Koswado, do won't defending or no MPP for NDC for a bossy. And when I'm Johnson the national chairman of the NDC. Why do you have to say you are resetting Ghana? Fine, more resetting Ghana. But some institutions must not be targeted. The electoral commission must not be targeted. Why? You have said it publicly. Why must you make that statement publicly? At the Electoral Commission during the elections, but it has not gotten to that point. Electoral Commission and free. Ghanaians, Ghana for Buma and sorry waka. Niadona na ye won mama sa niadono ensane ye mbetena. Sa niadono we are ye person nia ntabomu no. Say uko teachers front ye were NDC teachers, ye were MPP teachers. Ye were NDC teachers, ye were MPP teachers, and they have platforms to that effect. Adwuma kobia obekom sesiaro ye wo NDC adwumayefo ene wo MPP adwumayefo wo nyina adwuma baako. Now the conversation is that if you look at our judiciary, before the judiciary, even our lawyers, ye wo NDC lawyers and ye wo MPP lawyers.
SOMPA FM.
And some have also claimed and made the wild allegation that there were NDC judges and there were MPP judges. So why must it be so? Anya salama miabiam inke jodom ha. Ghana mi lefiare the kawawo baliolo. The kawawo malio. Kike the kawawo yi. Inke miawom. Are we sick as a nation? The unity that we are preaching for this country, why is it? Abusha for Abochie's voice, but before I rest, the American say, "Ya so from penny for more Ghana ha, nanano mun penny for more Ghana ha, ya besere, mun sorry na mun kasa, awon ye maybe." Because baby at some do say a hard dream. If I were to be the president, if I were to be the national chairman and the national executives of the NDC, some petitions and bank here to move forward as a country. But yes, it neno. Ebesesi ochina. Say esi ochina omo aben sesi omo aben sesi abekasa fa ho. Because that is a conversation I cause sesi a. Abusha for be damasi. Abochie's voice and I'm the bro. Patrick, let's say.
Prof, Nyame adum.
Bibi I find there.
Nyame adum bibi aboko.
Once Ghana you say institution.
You see, I bibi o. You see, I come here and say baby I be rebia in politics.
Maybe I be rebia politics.
Maybe I be rebia policy. But ye mama tokunu wakasa. Assembly fufuro na waka.
No, but on the ground so no why mfumso. You know, one say I me didn't blame any dear. But ushe some now walk kana. What can I say? Ono pa des or resign. Nature say mfumso. Asam no mo kano. Nature say eye no kre.
Yeah.
Asam no mo kano. Nature say eye no kre.
Yeah.
Mami kwa maro so na mele owura kwaku anyido ho enkodi enkomo. Ra yenhwe say owura kwaku anyido ho ye ma akwa baba for God and country on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Hello Kwaku. Hello Kwaku.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. I believe you can also hear me now. Hello Kwaku. Kwaku, can you hear me now? Okay, so we'll try and re-establish contact with Kwaku Anjinehu. Let me see. Hello Kwaku, can you hear me?
Hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Your line is always breaking, but I believe you can hear me now. Okay, me pacho my try the ensan freko kwa nyido hu bi say yensa ebeka na yende ndi enkomo a ene wi ye be di e wo SOMPA 106.5 FM. Ma me hwe say me nsa ebeka no e wo so a okay, let's see. Producer sa friend ma me biona ye no ndi enkomo live here on SOMPA 106.5. Patrick, no man go asom so okay.
Yeah, Prof. Enti mama enra okasaye. Justice Tokunu Esaba okasaye. Na ka ba mama kwana nka me nkomu kakra ni nsam ni bia okaye. Na enra mama press conference na wo ye no o state say cha enyema ekoso with regards to say oye justice or Supreme Court no Ghana ha and the first ever in our 68 years history, a sitting justice is being removed, and it is marking it as a dangerous and a precedent-setting event. Now, Osansu argue say every step almost fast to that process now it breaks every rule on how justice is delivered in this country. Now, Osansu also warning say the process flouts constitutional safeguards, raising fundamental issues about the rule of law and democratic integrity. And when you and summer and right, your mammy edited that. Now, or single out venue now, ni hearing, which is the Edu Lodge. Now, Okasa sa Edu Lodge, there was some historical event being since I saw the Supreme Court. You were a statue, me and Sabine Sihon, former Chief Justice Bia, Yeshitu Amukumu in 1981. Thereabout. Now, Justice Nomudini, Justice Cecilia Cranton Ado, Justice Fred Pokusa Kodie, Justice Kojo Ej Sapon, and now military man by Consul Major Ekahom, only a Major Sam Aka. Chief Justice Cry Echim say, or no, no offer. On any tonight crapping. And Raya Mammy conference now, or no, and once now, or the 15 questions be a to the Prof. Now, Obusa say, committee now omatnas na omohwe na asem 15 questions we obusebe. Now the first question I know Obusan say was a due Lord chosen for this inquiry to make me feel insecure. Baby omokoye ni hearing no. Number 2 I say why would anyone demand that I go on a vacation given to me as a chief justice with my security escort alone, instead of going with my husband or with my daughter?
But what does the law say? What does the law say? What does the law say? These are all sentiments.
Yeah.
These are all sentiments.
How can this travel be a reason for subjecting a chief justice to a committee of inquiry? Number 4, say, how can Justice Pomai, who gave justice in favor of Daniel Fori, one of the Nkrofono petition president, preside over processes to remove me as a chief justice? Complaints from Mr. Fori has the same issue. Now, number 5 will say, why has the committee refused to give me copies of the petitions and the prima facie determination?
Because one say say the assembly tieno who the petition akwa Mampenyin.
That's right.
Or Mampenyin petition or the command council of state for. And a council of state for can say adieno ase omo hu ade bi wo so a petition no mu a enyina so ntia o maka say no na prima facie case ntia omo edit committee amaya to yensa afro no abefesi committee no. But I believe say anka we nyina ekoso no at least maybe was making it clear to her.
Yeah.
And one aspect of the
that's right. I'll say copies normal man be prima facie determinations and copies normal man. Now I'll say what is important to the state is how can a hearing be conducted without clearly laid out claims, defenses and issues to be tried? And also Obusa question. Or say, how tenable, if I can respectfully ask, can it be that a petition to remove the Chief Justice from office can be entertained on these grounds? Number 8 will say, so what if these current proceedings are being carefully staged to result in my removal as Chief Justice, even if there's a lawful justification. Number 9, why is it that the documents submitted to the president, including my responses, are not being disclosed to the inquiry or to the parties? Number 10, how can judges protected under Article 127(3) of the Constitution be subjected to removal proceedings for decision taken as part of judicial panel? Number 11, what justifies the committee's rejection of CI 64 and the adoption of CI 47 contrary to Article 146(7)? And also your question, Obisa. Number 12 was saying, how can a group calling itself Shining Stars with no legal status or registration bring petition to remove the Chief Justice? Number 13, how is it suddenly unconstitutional or wrong conduct or incompetent for the Chief Justice to recommend justice for nomination? Number 14, last but one, if this model of removal can be tried on Chief Justice, can it not be repeated with every justice or independent office holder? The last one will say, why should I resign therefore and validate a process that is unconstitutional and violates all known rules of justification?
Me da say so ma me na me kwa ahoma no so na me ni ora kwaku anyido ho ending kobo kwaku yama kwa baba for God and country. SOMPA 106.5 FM so. SOMPA FM.
Ya bejo sumi ni ame mawaha.
Ya jo so pa aleke ya phone ma.
Mauta 14.
Nya mauta nya ma phone aleke. Ala duama.
Bali.
Yakwibala. But kwaku, I am surprised you have waded into this Chief Justice issue between Stokono, the suspended Chief Justice. Then pa na kawa san komo be to dwa wo do hu aba be jimui.
Michelle, Chief for then Kupon is our Mayasa Aquania is in common. Oh, well, I'm a Ghanaian. I mean, a Ghanaian. Then Kobe, then Rabia. And yesterday, I just found it very interesting what happened. And it's initially, so my comment was that the Chief Justice asked for an open hearing. Obisa said, Yenya diano betim na ubian tentie ne ekoso ambaso and na ya started proceedings no and they say no ba abontin. My issue is more from the side of the government communication. First of all, I have never, because my age man pay into 7 years may kakeke. The issue where one person, and I said the same person, kasama fuma abain, say kasama fuma omampenino. I've always had issues with it. You see, because at the end of the day, we must always insulate the president. There was a Bob president, and I said presidency in the whole buying from the everyday conversation. It's a bit of a call, kasama abain, esam kasama omampenino. There are challenges. And it's CJ Kasayeno, the government spokesperson, who's also the presidential spokesperson, came to respond. And my question is, should it have been so? Mona setting up committee, say an investigative chief justice, or call court, say open hearing, court in a bogu here, and waba bonting, say obekanasen. From a public relations and communications point of view, if I was at that position, my take would have been, say, let's not respond. Let us allow the committee to work. Once the government has responded and the presidency has responded, it has changed the complexion of the issue. And that's my take.
Sir, Ukasa, it has changed the nature of the issue from where you sit. Do you think, sir, I suspended between Stockholm na ehube hia kra say I no press ya or ye ye no na ehube hia say obeye sa.
The person has always wanted the matter to be discussed in the public domain. And I'm a boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's always wanted it. She's not hiding that fact. I want this matter in the public domain. And I court Boguye. So she went through the court and I court Boguye. If she has come to grant a press conference, what I would have done as a professional PR is that, look, let her have her say, but let's allow the committee set up by the president to work. Now she has baited you. You have commented. So the matter is in the public domain now, and we're all discussing it. The presidency can say, oh, we didn't go into the substantive issue. We just commented around the issue. Whether Jonah swallowed the whale or the whale swallowed Jonah, there was a swallow. So once you have commented on the matter, you have drawn the presidency into the whole discussion, and that's where we are now.
But Gogwe, say Usha Beatrice and Rakasa or Kasa Gertrude and Rakasa or Kasa Yena. She's alluded to the fact that there are Kosono as it has some political machinations. And you are also in government. Don't you think that it was that prudent because of she trying to smear the whole issue with politics? I don't think almost somebody responded. Well,
but so now the thing has become political. And I make as a professional communicator, I would have issued a statement. Yes, government must respond. Why not? But for me, if I was working with the presidency, the statement that would have come is that, yes, we have heard what the Chief Justice has said, but because a committee is in place working, we will not comment. We leave the committee to work, so that this matter will be left at her doorstep. But once you have entered with other comments, you have opened yourself up. Look, for the first time, I didn't know, and many Ghanaians didn't know, say, Nani Ofa, the late Major Sam Aqua. I maybe a chemo. And then make 3 High Court judges, and I said, the ACA. She's now telling us that story. And you are commenting on it. Or see, baby, I hearing, no? She has sordid memories of that place. Baby, I didn't know. The committee is working. Allow the committee to respond, or allow somebody else, the justice system, to respond. But now, if you go and drop the presidency into it, and government spokesperson, presidential spokesperson is talking about it, my brother, today that's what we are discussing.
So would you then say, sir, dear abino nra se wombeyi mamina no na omo lake some emotional intelligence, Anna?
I have not said so, and I will not say so. All I'm saying is that as a professional PR person, yes, the government must respond. Why not? But I would have left it at the point, say, yes, Mamina Kasa, the woman always wanted a public hearing. Government will not be baited into a public hearing. We will leave it for the committee to work. Magana Yakari.
But wait, Ujan some way na kosona. Mami Kasa abayin penyin fosu yina no Ghana ha se onam bebia nkomoy de dama for pono so a obi atwa bi edie. Do you see it as potentially damaging our judicial independence?
Well, that is what she is saying. She don't forget that for her to have risen to the position of Chief Justice, Sebe, unless you call him Mabia, or not only Morano, until obey a Chief Justice. Today, that's what she's telling us, that the thing has become political. And that's what she wants to achieve. Say, politics. Until once the government has now entered the politics of the discussion, that is what we are discussing. Politics.
And some common way in Accra. I was here dinner with Mamedi Ababonting. But who some legal luminaries are on my babonting at the cassette. Dear Mamedi Baye, you know, a dear, it's tantamount to contempt of court. I don't know where you would want to situate yourself with those sayings.
So government responding, is that also contempt of court? Aha. So government has also responded. Is government also in contempt of its own committee that is set up? That's what I'm saying. Say, for me, I'm just dealing with it from a professional angle. Say, Anka Ayame and Amewoho as presidential spokesperson. And I maybe can set it parameters and say, ordinarily, why should we have a system that has one person speaking for government and also speaking for the presidency? It was established.
Two different communicators,
exactly.
one for the presidency and one for government.
You tell me. President Muhammad Ali Sadia was by in 2013 or by a president. Wasn't there baby? Apart from President Muhammad in Ghana, where has it been established? Say one person speaks for the whole government and speaks for the presidency at the same time. Go around the world and check all other democracies. Is that the established norm? No. So let government be government, and after let appointees be appointees, and let the presidency be the presidency. That's all. Because once one person is speaking for both presidency and government, everything you say, you are drawing the president into it, and that's not how it should be.
Bibi koso Ghana ha. In fact, I had a hame pa. So, Usha Yemu ha, Bibia, ye de amanyo seme rem. Ye judiciary, ye nim say, Wamo die, and komu diom baby ni krano. As we speak now, no, ye de amanyo sem akwakobraho. Some people have made the argument, say, so uko a Supreme Court hokraba, ye were NDC judges and then ye were MPP judges. That way, a hard dreampa, Ghana ha, ye be ding, Nasa tag na, about 12 swa. Every institution ye wo Ghana ha, ye di amanyo akwako remuno, ye be ding Nasa de ye frio.
My brother, it's a big question. It's a big question. And one is assembly here, but more than never NDC MPP pattern. Nothing say. And no na happen and no. So she has come out to say it is politics. And the political establishment has responded. So it's now politics. It is now politics. And that's the problem we are having. And that's the point you are making. How do we separate politics from the facts? And for America say, if I was at the presidency as head of communication, we will not comment. Wakasa, by this time, no. A one-sided argument. And I say one-sided debate. Ono na kana sen. Ono na ebia sebe. Watumra and wakokani and what say oka. But once you respond, I bet that into kwa sebe ewo mumi enuntem. When will it end? And who is going to win the war in the public debate, in the public discourse? So it's worrying.
So now the damage has already been caused. Per aye unkomo awuni yedi. So one person in charge of government communication and also speaks for the presidency. So from where you sit as a professional PR, from the conversation, that is what I've gathered. Bisa say ombetimi aye bibi e dia reverse situation no, so as to see say perhaps you know it is not the presidency that is responding to a Justice Gertrude Tokono.
How do you do that? The presidency has already responded. Really, the presidency has already responded. And so, once you draw the presidency into it, that's how it's going to be forever. And that's what she wanted, and she's achieved it.
So you feel, sir, now you bait Bina or the
that is the word that you have used the right word. It was a bait. Unfortunately, the presidency fell for the bait.
Because some way from the onset, no say na or no a pese asamno yabeka amaya the cameras at also public hearing, and yes. She was even prepared, sir. Oba wavy a year ne the denkra the right to a year hearing the issue in camera, and now she has come to tease you, and you have also responded. So meaning
Master,
that says I didn't know about a public discourse.
Master, me tokwe bi akom e wo bedwem. E na wo umpese obeko santo kwano. Ma 1991. E na me de ko fa koti kwan bi so. E na me de asem na bedwem. E na so aba bonti me to akwere no na so be to bi. Ntafe de abeda me bedwem to kwan ye ko. Kwan biom na de asem no be ko ahimfie. Because ahimfie na nkasa be rat to kwan.
But somebody will also argue, say, any committee no never respond to this particular issue about public.
Good, my brother. That's the point I'm making. So you should have left it to the committee. Why did the presidency respond? And Sebe, Mebunu and Namwenya Muntoko Biwo, a Concordia and Omoko. Then I hear them. I hear Boboya. Adame ahimfie mebunu tokwa. Ahimfie obey the way you work from. That's the point I'm making. That professionally, from my perspective, I may be wrong, I may be right, but if I was, and because I've done that work before, my initial reaction, if I have to advise the presidency, is that don't comment. Even if you comment, just let the nation knows. Say, look, we have heard everything Mamina Naka. Nanso. Yehinano.
But wait. Question I be beside I'm say when yanti aseni. One say asem we be na no. Ye mre nim for no eka say asem no e wose ye kan kukuom. Say no asem no ye de akwakodan committee 5-member committee no mame ne bekasa he no committee no amowa. So it means that any committee no na bekasa ntino this thing cannot be public. It is coming from a third party, and that is the president.
How does the presidency become a third party? The whole thing, the petitioners petition the president Anamiwa.
Mm-hmm.
So the president is the one who activated this process. People, and what she's telling us now is that 2 petitioners, and after 2 of the petitions were Yano. Some third petitioner there. Wakoya the checks. Actress organization it doesn't exist. So she doesn't understand where the third petition came from. So my brother, she has brought the issue into the public domain. At least now she's causing some public sympathy. How do we manage that one?
Kwa you know, my empire in common in see, but I'm quite panolo. Nkonyenye abochi. Did you understand?
Abochi.
Hey, abochi. But trouble.
Oh, abokachi nyako.
Abokachi nyako fi be betwe ba. Ma ona iraus ya.
Ma ona iraus ha.
Ayo. Kwanku anyido ho na to 7 no din kobo live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. My panel members this afternoon, Nana Into Americi Nana Into Americi, or a political activist. Kweku Atasapon, hey, special aid to Chairman Wontumi, and a key member of Baumier's campaign team. Special aid to Chairman Wontumi. Special aid to Chairman Wontumi. Kweku Atasapon. Kweku wawa. Menya dia wade memia washo. Now I'm supposed to say
Bad boys who crew.
wow.
Hey. Bad boys who crew.
What's it?
Bad boys who crew.
Bad boys who crew. Now you're a bad boy.
They don't try the man.
Or no a bad boy.
They'll try.
They'll try no. Or a bad boy.
Bad boy.
But you pay now what you say fita. Or no who dey fita. No then no a boy.
They be ashamed kwalache. Na miadum.
Now what is now what is saying?
Is doing well.
He's doing well.
Very well.
Today be a call a
up and doing his daily the Juma or Debia or Yoko Kakra, Juma Kakra.
Yoko Kakra, Ejuma Kakra.
So position there's and normal.
Nani health to say.
Oh, he's managing it.
He's managing it.
Koso Kakra.
Okay. Mamima Nana into Americi. Nana Makwa baby.
Yeah.
Nabaja Pum to say. First time meeting you.
Sure.
Very handsome.
Thank you.
But you know, Koboye Kosujado, Muti, Munamu them ha, between stock or no, or Casa, Gertrude, and I Beatrice Abeshe with we are gay, crown of my bravo. That one bet you. Kane Chief Justice, and as a suspended Chief Justice, get we talk on no and run Okasai. Okasai, so I buy moon penny for Ababino. What is a middle cocoa and you do who so a cassa navy? And some, you know, Nananto, then I'll bet you I can't found.
Yo, my main decline in now I say, Naminchia, with tear for no washer for Naminchia, into bracket, want to miss 8.
That's very team though. Yeah, that's it.
It's the first time meeting him on the show, and yes, and okay.
Oh, what's happening?
Great. Share UTV.
Oh, UTV paying. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Na me friend Chiamfi Okwapememu titu adosuman ene adosum potem ho ohona nyamiadum yeye apesemaka ntisi etran radio so a na TV so asese yechia yamanfo na wo hu se yabo wondim wo radio na TV so mami tokonu Gertrude minim jemi di se yemina yenim e bobre a owo memu ha ena senia okasa ebekwa afa na ade baako a mehu oniema ekoso ni nyina so ne se senia owura koku anyido hu kan no wabekasa wanya public sympathy esan say fitinura besinne yenka asem bi fufuru biae kesi madam tokonu asem nko ha mewa na asem nankasa na yere kanankasa no evidence unti na yekasa asem we yemi se hu se asem na yeka no president na otesu sisia no anyebia wabu mra bi by setting up a committee and I say wabu mra bi by ensuring say baby a esese wodi asem no esese wokodi no maame ni bedroom and I say ne hall nsem odi tu gua no bisa hu se committee na won asset no it's more or less like a courtroom oye mranim nimpa ah okosoro wo mem ha today let me like say the highest judge of the land anamewa because obey chief justice but because she has been suspended anything as they say I tisenia yehu di bia bi okura na be so oye ordinary person but when you go into the books or you bia nka niema bia sebe yenye betumi aye no ense say ono oye in the first place yen na enim say asem wo court you don't go and do press conference in the first place yenim say asem wo court you don't do press conference na senko no tie konwa so as a chief justice and assembly wa panel judges na obi akogina ho a press conference me je di senko be free ni panel atwena so what has changed does it mean say now a precedent has been set to say to be assembly or court somebody can come out and do a press conference for me Ohonu she should have known better because whatever it is say president in the panel judges in the Krampo a law and a mandate president in so be the petition bar you need to consult the Council of State Members. Upon the advice of the Council of State Members, a committee will be constituted. Anambwa. When you now and you as a senior lawyer, a judge, a chief justice, you know all this law. Besides, what Monga set is in the first place, Prof. Yemi say who say, has there been one starting processes of hearing here? So one has started.
I don't think they've started.
They have started.
Oh, they've started, eh?
They've started.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
They've started process of hearing. Something I say, or the court to say, enka proceedings no krano. Me no te hano proceedings na yen should be life.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, in the law, you knew very well say that is not what is in the law. So does it mean say we want to turn the law into different things? For me, I think say the woman is trying to attract public sympathy too much, and where we've gotten to, it is too late.
It is too late.
It is too late.
Why is it too late?
It is too late because majority of Ghanaians, and when I say majority of Ghanaians, there have been various pools. HSA, most people even want the woman to be out. So what they are doing is a mere formality. And if I were to be the woman, press conference here, maybe I would have just come out and say, look, I want the nation to move forward. Whatever it is, my Chief Justice BMA, I am not going to die. Even per what she said, her life is at risk. Nobody in his right senses, knowing very well, say his or her life is at risk, will go and stand somewhere and do press conference. In the first place.
But Nana, she said, sir, ojitum na orizania. Rebecca said, Bonina ye kafano hunyina. Okay, so and then she would fight it. Okay, so then why didn't he shut up and go and listen to the committee, and then state whatever she wants to say at the committee level? But coming out to make press conference now, to say now the whole thing has become a whole political charade. Then I don't see the reason why she should come out with that. Because if you look at the people surrounding her at the press conference, you ask yourself, say, is it a political party rally or political party discussion? How come? You as an individual, you say you don't belong to any political party. And so, you see, sometimes our leaders are not... that is why I have a problem with you, the politician.
You see...
Because you can have friends belonging to the NPP and belonging to the NDC.
You see,
so there's nothing wrong with that.
That is what we got it wrong.
Why?
Yes, that is why we always get things wrong in this country, because no matter what you do, you'll be branded as political person. And going on that tangent with non-political faces damage the whole thing. Because when you went there, if you had gone there with neutral persons, do I belong to party A or party B? No. You understand? But going there with no faces who are defending a particular political party always on air, what would people say?
Okay, so then I hold it for me. Maminko his side of the story. Now I'll be coming back to ask you a question. It was very needless for government to respond.
Oh yeah, for me, I believe in that.
You believe in that?
Yes, because there was no point in the government coming out to respond. That is needless, because the more the government responds, the more she gets public sympathy. Government in what setting up a committee already, allow the committee to work. When the committee is done with their findings, but you see, one thing me can say, in any case, then say at all costs the woman you be in it. One case you be in it. And you show me say, Munko Namunko Yan Shimunu. Na say I am passe why ABCD na ebum raswa. Then Imrana will take it course. But why is she coming out to make it sound as if say Kenike obese wo yinedi kokotu Nebukadnezar mribia also dia ofra amanfu say omra mechire dia na say me hu a wonim hwe.
Those ones are just sentiments.
No, but you see,
they are
that is
sentiments.
where she got it wrong by trying to attract the public sympathy. Because you don't know to go on that tangent.
All right. Kwekwaga, I'm into you.
Prof, that's it. Machia no tifo. Machia me party for. Na machia nana. Na Prof. Eme de pa say. Asem we da hoyi. And the panel is me no hene and it so.
Adenta.
Some so di asem.
Ah.
Nti ya de ekoso no. Ebe toto de ekoso wa hemfie ho. Mabisa na kwese no akire yesene a omudi asem.
All right, you.
Prof. Baby anana di si ye no. Ehona na me hyase e de afri. Ma me ne kasa no hwan na ne gina na chi. Na committee no so hwan na te.
SOMPA FM.
Prof hwan na te committee no.
Macho why you one?
Hwan na te.
Why you one?
Said John Mama na te.
Ah, you one? Yeah, with you.
John Mama said be so on Red Cross ni.
Why ye mamping?
But if ofri hin na buy.
Why ye mamping?
On say yeah who say
for now no dear, he's the president of the republic. Regardless of his background.
I know. Menim say president for Ghana.
Sure.
Some I mean say ne country person ana.
Why then?
Tokonu.
Ah, so a Ghana ni.
Yeah, come back. Prof. I didn't cost ni nyina no. Emra ye campaign. Say John Mahama anka so bo be yi ma me na dia. Ko bia ni adwene bia atade ekoso na chiwo. So beka ya emra John Mahama koshia NDC lawyers no. Okachom say judicial ni bias. Into oba obesakra mu. And there no circumstance no betimi asakra mu with this Chief Justice. But no kwasem no say Chief Justice na ye bona senwem no. Ono na so John Mahama yi no. In this abayre ni tinya na to nso nya dai enye. Ena nsem o mo tro ya ye di ne no. Sa nsem ni sisi ye ansa na Yera John Mahama e ba be president. Enti yi na di awie ama Yera Mahama be ka say maame no say mra wo so ami nyina na on deserve so be Chief Justice nti foforo na aba no emra na enye so nyin foforo na. Ene ma na ekoso no. Me de enra me kan o baabi meto aso aka. Yenya ayamna na etu. Ene etu amna na ya adwen se de bode hono na be katam na no so. Ugina kira ohunu sa amna na ya kata so ba uti aso a obetom. Ade ba ko bi wo ensem na ekoso no efa Justice Poaman ene Daniel Ofori ene Justice Tokono. Prof yentena se ne anwini hu yi ebeden na odi asema ba court me ye panel member na ye panel member ye bu asem no me tro se udi fo na tro se udi bem ewie ya no wa wasem na wasa tabri e de akoye petition e de abrewo prof o te committee no atia me no o de nana akoye chairman Justice Poaman. Asamwa a competition no a ye gina so de abɔ maame na senuamu efa Daniel Ofori no hono. Maame no tro bibi a eye dissenting. Justice Poaman tro bibi sa nipa no ese ade na ohwehwe no ye de ma no. Sa ade no a no e kan nsɛm na omubobo hono. And Justice Poaman na eye committee chair. Intujidi so beka se maame no ye ni ya na wanye ni natural justice obia ni wa waton asase wa hemfie a ya twena ba nanan anum a ye kodi asem na ye sa ka se wa waton asase no ma me ne ye bia e friend say bright no woni pa na waton asase ne ye ka asem no wa kwotena se na ye kodi asem no ensi wo ba bia sanu ma we nyina mani pa dwene se asen krofo bi ahyeda se maame no omobeyi na di maame di asema maame ne kan ya me den se onka se no nti wajai obekọ uyi na di a ochena na be yense na ho se asem no mode to no so no okwan na be den na ode makọ court na nkrata ode court no ya frame court se me mawo there were him for my move. There were judges for her. 10 bia, bambia, pencil. You better try to be Chief Justice at Dibiano, Judicial Council, and a sorry, Etia, na Adiano, at Tuetra, and a Judicial Council no, on my ID.
I didn't know my ID, who is on my ID.
Meaning, intimate, Bakwasia, and a say, Yedene, Yeneme Yonko.
And you feel, sir, Abia Mamino, only the other judges, no. And ni asitanapa.
I don't know.
Yeah.
O personalizing na why mistake. Because on the mama no na muntamu kranya me kwata. Ni mo. De minim ne say o kan wanu tum. Em ye unu abone. To chene to a kan wanu tum. They make come along. Judicial council ayedin, ahemfa ayedin, asofo ayedin. And you share my facial expression. What you say, oh, you're very frustrated. So when him say, Emrani, and what to be that? So we have to petition at Tiao. Or some of them may testify. What to be that?
A petitioner, so no.
Not you know, Daniel Nane, Shining Star. Shining Star was also crying a registered entity. It has a bone sound of a troy. And I be four, and I summon and I motia.
So, how say you registered entity? As a saying,
a bar Chinese star no ama as an individual,
or bar as
a group, and a group will be our better legitimate piano. You need to register it at the Registrar General Department. Send a bear, Yashamo a bad day. Into Shining Star, a yanoma. We Billy, and was I by phone to no omma. No be across as a man. Daniel na, my men trust MT no. Our officer, my man, I am bonena justice poor man, trauma no. I justice poor man, a chairman, on him say, Daniel na dear no air papa no, no so omma. Committee not here.
I don't know the mandate of or the specifics of the mandate of the committee and the processes therein.
Anuntina.
And the processes therein.
Anuntina. Prof. Anuntina.
Yes.
No election petition. Nebi in Canada. But a buy na ye novel no. Who say you with TV so say see how be adwen iron clear. Me can be bia say election 2013 petition. Yan show TV so amobia hwe bia antene ho ase a judgment no ban kafa bi nyintu
but kwata untimi fa election petition de no enfan to two way because Yamamra no talks about this one being heard in camera
and memfa yisi de no entututo no de no
na se memfa toto
amanfo yes ah
memfa toto
no the entire makers and say
yes
I use the word novel no be see that
minim
saa deɛ ɛkɔ so yi ebi nsi da ɛbɛdɛ na ɔmanfoɔ n'ate ase ɛbɛdɛ na ɔmo esua deɛ enya deɛ esua wɔ mu because yɛ kyekyere ɔman.
But I believe said the framers of the constitution in their own wisdom who says in some sano any kwan say about
okay na e protect CJ no more in camera no so ne about
yeah
and am no say my wave me right. My bonne me person be who say my bonne what's there be
now say ukase one wave writer would have to go by the constitution
in camera now no na make say when him say constitution aye pronouncement via fi Supreme Court to bar and said there amendment to they make counter say entiasi anya no in camera ade ne novel so time I dey election petition no band the time they to no say na mra bia nkyerɛ sɛ yɛn show TV so aname yɛn show TV so and then MPP for a court say yɛn show TV so and a court no agitum sɛ be dey e show TV so sɛ na ni constitution aso so yɛ
also or the kwan
court
ko ka sɛ yɛn
show no bia anya de ehwɛ bi ba we no so no e bi don't say akoyɛ sɛ asɛm no kra ma me na ka no ebi kra na subject matter na omo discuss wo ho no enya no kra na ma me na ka tia obi anim enti senka ye na nneɛma na ɔkeka saa 15-point questions na obisa no ɛyɛ adeɛ a yɛso ehu bi a nke ebehu sɛ ebi adeɛ na ɛkɔ so no ɛyɛ ana ɛnyɛ ba tale adeɛ ne deɛ obɛyɛ o na kyerɛ asɛm ɛnɛ ayɛ justice toko no ɔkyena ebi a na yɛwo NDC pa ɔmo form numbers no ɛnyɛ mmra ɛnchange article 146 ɛnchange article 147 ɛda bi bɛba aban bi bɛba ɔbɛre verse.
Okay, mami ko amaro so na me Dr. Samaye ending komo or a member of the government communication team. Doc, Nema Kwababa for God and Country on SOMPA 106.5 FM.
SOMPA FM.
Prof, Major Sopa na se o frame bi.
Hey. Me producer Aba Matias say a frewa wo so why busy. Wo so catch rain say ye ne yem frew.
Every we dey ebi mo ati say adwuma atia me.
Sa.
Anya ampa kra, e na o frame ya amapai.
Da okay, catch rabi. That draw ye here wo fie.
Aba. E dey da be na minute, Prof.
Enti me see Monday ye here wo fie a.
Saon. Mate.
Yo. We dey what kind there etiefo nyina ate o. Enti wa ma embe kan kyerɛ nse ye ne yanto yen san frɛ.
E true kra.
Yo.
Ma na se mo producer na afrɛ.
That was abamu to say.
Niema koye wa mo say His Excellency the President say Nran Okodu Brussels. Oni foundation bi a friend of Gavi Foundation omubua epitika editor vaccine ana se pani a yede wo mofra munya ya ye kete chicken pox ni smallpox measles polio ni sa ni manema wakọ eni omukodi iketa hu eye wi asemu enkane na pani ana owo sikapa wo wi ase friend Bill Gates Foundation so ewo ha omunna kan bom excess ade say omubenya sika $9 billion na yede ato empane ni nroi a yede bema enkola wo wi ase a omuye be 500 million na yetimi aboa mofrei na omatimi anyi from abeye eye journalist kesiye tendency te sewo ana say omabeye doctor te semi ana omubeye panyi kesiye producer kesiye te semi amenia a ene waka asem ya so a meaning to me.
Say, but a quick one. And now Felix of Osukwachi Bekasai Wabra I suspended get to talk or no the press Bekasai. But the listening to some political analysts and some communicators, especially with PR background, almost a then say I was Yenya Bema. Kasama abain osa kasama ompenyin omampenyin Felix Ofosukwachi ebeyano.
SOMPA FM.
I disagree with them, but I respect Omo views. No born in the Palma views because almost you're paying for our Marco school when it comes to PR or communication.
Okay, it's you.
Yeah, so President Mahama Eddie the Brady under the leadership of the Honorable Felix Kwachofu so now here press conference no. Na ya enra the minister e kan ni pefe e magana phone na so say enka ade a the Honorable Chief Justice her leadership Justice Detru Tokonu ade ansam o de betu dwa no anka efa the committee any the committee's work ho dia eno nko ahun komo no di ye dia anka obi ani ho asem because the work of the committee is independent of President Mahama Nependi. Independent of executive function. And Kayadia and Unquano can't want someone. I could be any niasm. But when she veered into aspects of political agenda, a tiano political agenda to remove them, and we have to come in to correct and to set the record straight. Meno Kasai, the Chief Justice petitions against her, no, as I fear before John Mama Ebedia Kuya. So, let me again. the learned Professor Kwekwasare, or professor of law, or the petition about President Kufuor, even when the NDC had not come into power against this particular Chief Justice, Emma President Kufuor, the Emushishimu was a petition. It may be some petition now, President Kufuor, the Boguyan, and your mama and Esma, Professor Kwekwasare, and some Kotrana.
Yet you.
Former Chief Justice, before Madame Gekutoko, everybody petition, Etiano, President Kufuor, the Boguyan. Petition, I President Mama, and so much uncle for of Yana. The point must be made clear. President Mama, that petition only more and you're on the Troy. Nipano, or the petition, Betty Amano. Omone Mameno, Eddie, Gita, who Eddie, so not President Mama. In what capacity? And President Mama influencing this particular thing. But now, a political agenda. All kinds when to me and say, why would I behind Sarfo a political agenda? A President Mama, and I a Vice President, a Professor Jim, and our Minister Bay, and now a Bible Penny Bay, and the assistant agenda next year. Number one. Number two, the colleagues from your most Supreme Court. A Justice Woman, and a Justice Samuel Duwasi. Almost said agenda next year, Madam Justice, the Tutoko, Monty, the country. Now, who in particular is referring to say, Omona exercise our political agenda, it is so make it our comments. To make it our statements. Now, we cannot sit there as a government to allow you peddle falsehoods like this against the respect to the president and the integrity of the government. Number two, Obia ni Ghana ha what me be in sa apo e maba ko pa President Mama ebu. President Mama has shown true commitment and fidelity to the law of the Republic of Ghana. Prof, me be sa wo sam years abu. Me be sa wa no answer my. Petition already article 146 now. And rather say so be the petition every President Mahama against Chief Justice. I was saying President Mahama a consulted Council of State about it. President Mahama or consulted Council of State and I want consulted Council of State.
He did.
And rather say so consulted Council of State. I was saying Council of State everyone. Now almost setting up a 5-member committee made up of 2 judges only on the Supreme Court and 3 other people who are not parliamentarians, who are not lawyers, or who are even not politicians. Mr. Wu, 5-member committee, no, President Mahama Etriana Wanti.
Ote.
SOMPA FM.
Sa committee, no, and yet judges are, my many on the one of Moteso.
But only, what's a doggy?
Hold on, Mammy and Doha. It's a mabbe pa na President Mahama Busu Tia. Chief Justice get to talk on all my President Mahama Fumunyo.
Me bato, Mami Bisao. Nkomo yi beto dwei. Sanchire mu yi. Mudi achire mu magana fo ate ase. Processes. Mami aba bekasa. Enti ne mu aban mu ntimi nkam anu ntum. Ntimi nkam anu ntum. Na ade na mo so no so. Because I said, why you ama wenyamu, and she's courting public sympathy. I'm telling you, Mami kind of French.
Ghana ni biya otimi oye objective minded. Indi say, and someone Mami no beti kamo. He has carefully done that to cause public disaffection for the government. And to say, wow.
So, what was that? What was that? Wow, Kano. What was that? What was that? Wow, Kano. Debbie was a wow. Debbie was a wow. Debbie Nyabutre. What was a wow, Kano? What can I say? What the pay a quembi so aba what pitching the public against the presidency. Way and can one man me year one and can then come on a decry. I mean, didn't say and can come on a cry.
Prof, now why year no Ghana for the one or margin for nearby be so better. And we must correct the misleading impression that the Chief Justice, who is Justice, Also, petition about it. A movie anywhere. A course. Just a hot gun and let's say Ghana to Manasa, a good gun. Meanwhile, one of the petitioners, every all the Ghana Sika, every after DM, and the upper plane, I'm out to know, but I say Ghana Sika over 5 billion. Sika, I bet me a clap block. Sika, I bet me a bet Yana Service worker. Only a come out, I see how Kunu back a first last moment.
But you see, what we say, Sam Common, Doggy, Sam Common, we have gone past that stage. We've gone past that stage, dog. Yes, with you.
It's a prof. Shall Obika ask one? Now I respond there. Ghana for the Rona or Muslim FM. But the content of the petition, we are not ready to discuss. But you're the name. Now you're not going to be a friend edu lot. Now one and never for be just an inaya. So I mean a food beer. President Mama, or buy it, Mr. Wokuda Diana. Debbie. You buy a yenty that beer. The same judges are now who get to talk on only on year Juma active justice. No, they are the same judges who are currently working.
So I just quick one. I want to find out from you: is government worried about what is going on? And we are pressed now. Is the first of its kind in the history of Mother Ghana. Say, Chief Justice, na process ne so in camera na wababon thing ababe kasa. Is this not worrisome to government?
President Mahama any nabai, we don't have any position on the petitions that
the processes but processes no as a mo aban mu no hamo
Debbie,
na nke hamo anka esi den na mo ba be responded to brand come on the betu Ghana for him
respond there and treasure the records that we want to set straight. We don't have any position about or a particular position and also what is pressing there about the outcome of the committee. The committee no one call it to Mr. Justice Samuel Edibu Efuedu. Any President Mama appointed. He appointed no crown as President Mama. Other members of the President Mama and you're on the 4 by Juma. President Mama and you're on the Tioboka. Only Momo baby. It is our best not to make a Casanse Muria. It defeats the very reason why you were teaching that. Because Prof, many will say in your someone, they have a constitutional interpretation.
Sure.
Who now we are teach justice and interpretation law, MIA. But what to move up from petition is a young Ghana bravo. Now, a someone constitution is a young can of them, a damn one and I can also have a count of things. This is even more reason why I'm up for the reaction, even though many of them. The part of go now, a customer, me, a mayor, what bush to create that press conference, and also a baby for a remover.
Dog, but you better come on because the worry is that somewhere is supposed to be heard in camera. Mami Eddie Betu just said that right of hearing now. I was a kosu okukuobono. Or per se a year committee a wavy. And antiasia antiasia amba. Say no, Wamamu Bates. Most of respond to Makasa. Say Asamna Deja is now in the public domain. You don't think that she baited you and has gotten your government into the public discourse for this particular issue that way?
The public domain or the public discussion will not prevent the committee from doing their work. They have the right to do their work. The chief justice have every right. And also, our whole crime part also better than yes, we are whole crime. The committee also have a duty and a mandate to decide in the interest of the Republic of Ghana. Into on your press conference, the committee will continue to sit. She will still be invited to the committee to answer questions, and the committee will give its recommendation. It doesn't change anything. We won't be any.
Yo, Dr. Samaya, my friend, come on and see. Yeah, that's it. For God and country, that's why. Yo. Dr. Sam Aye, a member of government communication team, and I just meneno ekasano. Kwata na wo kasa.
Your friend obey.
Now office obey.
Dem na wa some kan wo tiase.
Na wo de okan wo so tiase se.
Men tiase.
Wo tiase.
Na bio.
Adentina wo tiase. Se wo mpese wo betiase ntina wan tiase. Yes.
We are so ye bone. Ana ya de anya bone kura na ogituma. Ene etim ka so bre ho ase o. Na ho ya de anya obi ase ade am correspond ye. From a professional PR point of view. Prof, who is a master's in development communication?
You are telling me
from GIG.
You are telling me.
Good. And to me, so many too from a professional point of view, say I did not feel like saying was needless. So the toto I him somewhere, and I him fear somewhere. Penny dream mate, mante. Kasamrin kan homa, ibetim dia so ma me no kon say asɛm a yɛse yɛnka no kokoam no akɔka no badwam ɛno kora tumi mu gyina so ɛyi contempt na no bi ka no tuchi maame no contempt abɛkye dwom maama de because the assumption is say the Felix bɛka yɛ nyinaa no President Mahama ne so ɔnyɛ de ɔmɛka
he speaks for him
na meka say assumption no yɛ no on anti say okasa ma de ma me ne ye nya na say the president so ye no enye ayi prof me say ade na ekoso ni nyina no settings ni bia o
settings de bia ka settings asa
settings na che say
yes
ade na ye dada na de ye wa bontimu bia hu ne de skirmishes
back we me problem and say I'll come back to you with that question before we wrap up for the second issue I bet discuss. My problem is more manufacturer no they say more how man Ghana institution be our politics
no I
don't know make safa
na Ghana for nso so no
asum
na Ghana for no central for nso so no
yes we asum
mo kra dem ka ho mo
me da say
no because I'm say
yes
our core mandate is to educate, entertain, and inform.
Sure.
Because of say some hosts and now when interviews now or now you are stating your position clearly. Your uncrophobia or no inform or no entertaining no or hypo sentiments and emotions. Emotional we can be presses mami asem ye bai to say questions here will be said
yeah
if you have me hwema menim say needless
sure
if you so what to say dem can that's as poor man any than no fori any mami no case me a footballer tio me pra ona obo over panel doctor team doctor and me pra oh, I don't know. Manya knock. Una over trial report say me a fit and I'm not fit. Me play and I guess I'm a fit. No, Papa no be say no.
Oh, the unya fit.
As all to no na ban to me the Bobby.
Oh,
and a question.
Me that's it. But we go ahead and to Amarichi. Back to you.
On say bebre na yenyina ya kama ha two wrongs doesn't make right nedi kan maame no ba be yes a press conference me medical can say it was needless senior presidency so by ebe responding no entwa yi esan say sanka presidency am be respondia senior menu aken enka asem kra de na asem ko enka na ye discuss bi ni fofo enka committee no kra na be friend say ya che ko for contempt because in Zambia or Kikano, say one shed that one who is anchor. But you see, I don't blame the presidency for coming out because they also want to set the record straight. But Ubisa, Dr. Aye, say over the period we've heard say President in Yem from Subiai because Imrana no die
sure,
and they keep repeating the same thing.
Yeah,
fantastic. Mameno Beka Saino. Senya ura koku anyi do kan no enka o mekasi o wakasa na emu esan say president any impanyifo apau committee no Then said the committee will deal with this matter. Assembly na semko. But yembi say ahusi. Maame no nsem no kekan no. Was it worth it? Then you eje to say niam no bebre wo honu ma garbage. Let me just use it say garbage because niam bi wo ho a or require say nka yenye no. And one year man no. And nobody will do it. In any case, Prof, Osi.
Yeah.
And can it right now in camera no? Or no per se Ghana phone share. And you be the call to say Ghana phone share. So ni mumrano. Into your name says Bibi say no quickly.
No, I'm sorry, court and jantum.
Fine. Court and jantum no that means say court and person will be boomrano so. Into until say constitution na yes ye pe amendment no. Obi be throw akosi in the near future ye be say to chief justice and away chief justice ye ma the whole world obi anhwe bi no. We cannot do it because emrano ne di adwuma ena biribi a ye bia ne ye jetum se wo mrem enti once a ye jetum se wo mrani mu no e se ye di adwuma asem ba ko san kan ya na me wonwa kakra ne se o si onu mu nankasa na ogina ho no petition nankasa na ejina so a wo si wo pese wo yi na eji wo ma ne copy eye ma dwun mu na kakra because President nankasa mu no etro the mao.
Oh yes.
Na omao 7 days.
Omao 7 days to respond. Say 10 days. 10 days. 10 days I remember.
Into your person kire say empanyifo na etena ase no wo kita different petition ana. This is question number 1.
Good.
Because senka empanyifo na wo honom wo nkura petition na den na wo so wo lawyers responding. Inti does it mean so person kire Ghana fu say kono ko gina ho ni nyina no nim nti a ko gina ho ana. Sometimes when I advise young pennyfo no they should advise them well. I say this because most often in pennyfo ni bi wo ho na asem bi ba no ogina bagwam kasa nsem na ya wodi to gwa no you ask yourself so many questions say anyabia does this person have advisors? Because look say assemble himfi na say panel of chiefs and then one a what na asem so tena so a wo a wodi asem no efa ho no obi say asemesi obentin so odi asem we yaba ana wodi asem we yaba tu yanim eye no kwara na eye no kware wo hu kwan say esese wo bia no wo mbisa ahimfo ni say nia wodi bra mu no enye no bi na mikura. Is that how it should be? No.
Okay. But I say, Naranto, Americi, but let me do this before I obey. Okay, quick water.
On that same way on, they can't hear the emotions and the sentiments, and more. Because utia the moment I overtake will be argument clearly.
SOMPA FM.
Uti me who say ni pare I dare not say no penno and I say no penno.
So are you referring me back on
No.
Now that's all okasa na so be yina no.
Anya na na say na me ba me ka say.
Okay.
President and the committee no e the crop.
President and the committee, they are two different people, diverse.
And it say they refer me case at the ama committee. Even committee no cry no. They say ye kokota kwa kodi asem a ye koshi asem no say ni ene ye befa so ayede edi no lawyer for no brofo bi a omo de friend no it is an engagement no course between petitioners no ene the petition against no respondent no ene committee no e ho na e beka say o document we make available na ma we bi we su document we onye na available no ma we nti na akokot na o file document ye serve war other person so courtroom work no ubon say lawyer for na sa de copy ni bi asa kwa akoma nkofo na ya serve war mu nti the president ma me no ade no
10 days to respond
ya the response ni ade na kodi committee no committee na said yes say omo ne ma me no ba
me so e ba bonten de betu dwa say petition e kan onye wu.
No, what he's saying is say
from then she was not fair.
Okay, say onya
fair.
Otie.
Also onya
petition from the committee onhuye. And atie prima facie case friends a prophet so what's my court to pay they make an over tiase prima facie case and do we say petition on mutual na
prima facie case any crowd
and somehow mutual the court a petition in na and a just will define definitely
no
my no request say point or petition no more establish a prima facie no mama mi hu
me da say abusha for God and country so near end chair be fa calls remember numbers are over phrases so ye be lines no to mo 0260 196064 0260 196065 my main first akonya we so na menda ya boafo ase medimafo herbal center Dr. Time da so abusha sa te men kan den you na stroke you ya de and the house see oh asa papa bia binim da bia ni sisi sa wontimi nante ni kwato dwa nyina ye ne ya esi kire ya de ekunu me ba cho bia obi so wo agin so ya prostate issues mojabru so onante kakra na kuma ne bo pari me ba to bobodi na fa we de kire medimafo herbal center barakuda jimba ta yakwa agbaye ye medimafo herbal center fuma na ya me ba to ubenya ayarasa e kama pa obedi ho pefru obeso ofefru ensu de ma nche da nkoyie ma no hey me ba to bobodi na fa we de kire Dr. Time da so empo yare kwankro wa kwache say ya malaria say typhoid me ba to Dr. Time da so ebe show ama wati apo bomoding na to onsa from e wo 0244 774282 0500 727215 and can ha obo mo poko ase mayira unhwa mo cha kwan okuma ase a omo ebuakwa agogo bia the government school they din hwe anymore Dr. Time da so so obenya aduampa didia Hajia special local foods what out nkra aduane bako abeti bia kanfo ampa Hajia special local foods spices ni aduane mo spices ewo mo ani ye local spices no akakadro wintia pepper jene ni dia kika hojira enu no ni ye aduane magi bia ni mo aduane pa nie na na me bofufu bi ho after the everybody abipie na we see the ultimate chain with executive producer Bright Angels ABOCHIE somebody that call o say mama the bon quite rough Hajia special local foods bacho aduane bia wo pe bia obeje bi ho so ye bankuni nkruma nkwan bankuni okro stew fufuo ene nkwan bia wo pe tuo zafi wache jollof fried rice na eni jesam crowd na say aprapransa oje bi ho kama pa na wo de we de kire ho a ade a obetime aduane pa ne bia di hwe omecha kwan ho hacho atomic kwan so bia ben transition funeral home that's a kind you say wo fie na opese de aduane de be wo fie a delivery service 24/7 ye juma anopa non watch copy menumre non watch pay mu but obetimi ahwehwe mo Facebook TikTok Instagram Hajia special local foods bombarding na from 024635991 again call them on 05354843992 better still you can read them on 0594797215 Hajia special local foods eduane papa fie no any electronics beyond electronics beyond electronics no it counts very well. It's for this reason why me count for Electroland Ghana Limited and when I make electronics we're using it for so many years it's still there electronics gadgets yo baby bacho and the check I say open durable electronics Electroland Ghana Limited. Me ba cho brand bia o here bia say Nasco say Media say Samsung say TCL remember where to go Electroland Ghana Limited. And to say fridge now pay air condition, fridges, washing machine, rice cookers, blenders. Any day kaka hujado. Bombarding partner for with Electroland Ghana Limited. What to idea wa? You more 15% discount. Omecha kwang ewo Techiman bia any box or the dish anymore main commercial station. Na kaibio say uhwe mo Kumasi a. One more Castle Junction, Tech Junction, and Crane, Adenta Barrier, Dansuman Runabout, Industrial Area, Biani Malcolm Plus, and they didn't share more. Again, look for them at Sunyani, Mankasim, Cape Coast, Takrad, and Atamali. For Electroland Ghana Limited for 0245 949495. 0245 949495. Yakwaji, Yabwa for Enkrato Asabebio. Na yeba dia karo a homeka pain relieving heat part any endpoint homeopathic clinic me common some e dia chiro pa
Techimano foi Electroland abedja near the money am panning in abo wait Thursday ya 10th April 2025 prior showroom for front e wo Kumasi Techiman kwane so
ye Roma sorry dino and I said backsword ne di animhwe
Property was Samsung TCL Media Nasco TV AC fridge gas cooker washing machine deep freezer home theater microwave blender kettle rice cooker and any am popek ahunina na wonim baby e di kan for baku 50 ebenya 15% discount any achede it brabetwa de kan ho na senya
Endpoint homeopathy clinic Ghana had the obi anim say your prostate na baby omutimi ye screening ema hu ni ye etu ase a na e endpoint homeopathy clinic anase e kidney e liver problem wo fa baby e na adjujo na de fa ne premature ejaculation no a ba ma bi a wo ne wodofo akwakwahia ase wo di ne ho agro ase wo tonte ene ye bra endpoint homeopathy clinic na ye moa wo e ma ne mema mo pa wo e ye endpoint homeopathy clinic wo mo dem fua yare bia infections bi ne wo ho anase bia wo hwa wo fa baby na adjujo kidney problem prostate de e endpoint homeopathy clinic kuma se ubehu endpoint homeopathy clinic e wo kronoma boy hia e na Accra hanso so de wo mo gina mu ankasa e wo Spintex bebre friend share signboard no huduro na ubusasa wo pe endpoint homeopathy clinic a obia e be kire for endpoint e wo 0244867068 and 0274234321 endpoint homeopathy clinic wo mo dem fu special local food abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese we de na kese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan so ho no de ntie fe ne local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes wo apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya abontine aduane edi enye ne bisa dabi haji asuro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyi ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra haji special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyi Ghana ha ba bia wo mo timi serve haji special local food pese wo fra eye 02463599921 02463599921 and answer 05947972115 05947972115 for not with them
Abofia hey brand new na edina taro sa hu e fra no ahomeka heat patch so what yaw e wo ho ba bia na o da tare so e metie wa bi na do bra wo si eyi pain ene sister na yasi ari no na oda ho no enti we dey fatra no na sister J ahomeka heat patch e tare wa yasi name a few minutes and you're ready hey bra ene miss me be power after construction ya na me back me neck pain ha me pa no na ma me papa e dey kutia arthritis anybody pains e yeduma say ahomeka heat patch
hey bra ahomeka heat patch no ayi aduma pa me feel heat bi abra me dey tare no afa briti awa bi mo please na jume kra
I try do so say your back pain waist pain menstrual cramps any arthritis in kwade a use ahomeka heat patch what the herbs and oil it's a ginger and cinnamon and aye at phone call Alpha Duo Pharmacy Origin Chemist Pharma George Accra Palace Pharmacy Accra Buakwa Pharmacy Takrade Knock Chemist Takrade and Malarigo Pharmacy Tamale the BF 0599802297 FDA Ajijodi Nkratoyatum
Abusha for Eda Masesa Mudu Atua Etie Ayasompa 106.5 FM market you pa for God and country jumedie and waskusu awutie bele I don't know issue back so abeto ho enranajo esiedu nketia the national chairman of NDC now board chairman for the Gapuha no the assembly tuja asomodi tuja na say unyaya eye nipa miensa bia wo mo electoral commission ho a commissioner nankasa ka ho ka ono kwa bananke apamo kwaku boy so asem no kan no ugidi say na assess okana as a national chairman of a party ruling this country
na ho fa check kwaku boy hin ntem fam kwaku boy
ai misi kwaku boy kwaku sapon kwaku ata sapon
senior the mrante I am Bobration Penifo. But me are guided by press before you. I say, I say, be arame kano, adi bi arame, anka esse mi bisa, se ebe, ye Yesufe, national chairman. I may adom. Na platform ye bisawa someone be guided by anyway so asem na wo kan dachi ebetim de atun kwala fo ana ade o ne say so pese wuyi isi ede a emra ho aboji so nim say ade ekoso with justice tokoni bottom line Crawford draw na say omupe sija petition no call ya obepia chire ntentem
usa
me yi isi for nedi
sa what is ankomo no baby
makane nefa to opa twato ho
say
omuyi maame nedi a isi for no to aso eye political person bia nim de besi de say dun katia be ya na etiza or can't have some Crawford no be adwene. How can why should this come from a whole national chairman? Commissioner no conduct election or winning overwhelmingly no. Also anya nanim there be also pam commissioner na next election no akoluso.
And I'm finding lessons more manufo.
Minimpo
find lesson.
Minim say ne be more reason. Some guys say me a politician. I'm a reformed politician. I know what time is it. Because no man be brio where course or dache untimi fan too bafo. Because no man a course no enye. Ene on one petition comma the short command no new easy for ne there. And the president now will be no pay it or be kind of no dear man. So the power parliament don't find me easy, so you'll qualify. You decide same be why if you penny no ba na man can I din because I ankyere me say you be kasa twetwem penifo. This is your national chairman of a ruling government. Now you see a to abaya kan when you more than 1.7 million vote difference. Na still also nya comfortable. And them ever Ghana nyina ma way. Dan so jani na yeku na be Ghana fa. From Jesus ansem no entwa yi. Eden no ma ye bone be no ma ye be say ya o na petition ya fa ma me na ye de ya fa ha na committee ye ti o ma ye say na we ade bi o mu ye bia is scheme because they see Ashanti Region Council of State abano e ma me hu say o mo mpese obi a onwene te say o mo bia ba be frem ye wa bem nya itimensa no nya Council of State member wa Accra itimensa onye a friend say NDC minister da. There were people are known NDCs. That's how we rule a nation. Na mai nyina ya kan why den abom. But the way Ghana divide no. Ebe kakra kro bi ko twa take to be say the otia no MPP ana or NDC. On training chain. But we say ya kan wa bom asoman secondary school. We are in a hospital. You don't ask the political affiliation of a doctor before Abamanama withdrew. But the Aka Kono, and away, me a victim of NDC.
Oh, you're a victim of NDC.
Say, my year Juma the whole of 2024. As consultant, Ministry of Railways. A party in the power 2024 in Chayaka. A change power no. And Crophobia Mudin DB. Ya mom email from Ernst & Young as auditing firm. I'm my sangrophone email. Say among far more quotations, no more contracts, ne, or more documents, embra. No more processing to your car. I never had the email. I had to go to my lawyers for my lawyers to write the Ministry of Transport because it is my money. Is it because I'm a deputy regional organizer and I'm a MPP? Yeah, Juma or Ministry of Railways. Ni any NDC for and a network Juma. Ni any officers in Libya in more political affiliation no more dinkomo. But me, I will not complain. If they give the money to me, fine. If they take it, fine. And to this, so you say, or Chamina baby, tonight, I dream better about me trim. I dream better about me trim. Say, per se, a teacher of mine, no man, what here, in Uncle Pandom, when you be aqua. And one overwhelming majority. These numbers that you have, no, you can use it, several minor, and I'm a person with a parochial interest. And the way to go against you, no. So only BBI had 2016 elections. Now the total 2020 elections, and the difference is not that much, apart from the parliamentary seats. It was just overwhelming because we were seats and NDC war, IMPPG, Nina Benya side difference, no. Now has a near yet pay. Our Mutri Musea. The difference is not up to 10 seats. It's not up to 10 seats, but because of say. We numbers, we was right, we were from. But we were trailing them in 2016 in terms of parliamentary seats. Yeah, but this that is how they say Ghana fire there. They don't want you, they don't want you. Intermediate national chairman see any easy for their easy for ate. Yeah, they tia. Yeah, head their beko. And yeah, Ghana no, and now send your tia. Oma Kosra Beshi Omono. Usane so a obehia omo omo a wodi omo bone enne no ochina ebia no akohia omo na ohia omo mo a but abochi metiu ba onim say era John Mahama no yes Pilgara deputy minister the type and say John Mahama must Pilgara appointment obeje e ma mi free mo so pare no ye Nana Kumia a deputy but Nana Kumia letter but they call STC. Equia, you might be from also parade a sign. Yankupon Kwan in Mochanasem. Yankupon no Kwan in Mochanasem, and when him DBC. And the Sunday, say Yamma, Quan do see baby now with Genea, Eaka, or Chanao.
I was a boy, but I send the Chebia ever far a year call, Sawaha. Maybe I will be an opportunity to drink today, Abeboa, but Mammy Conan Antunje.
Prof.
Yeah.
Mepacho, current electoral commission, current commissioners are all CCA. Let's put aside in Sama Ura, Sedun Kitia, national chairman of the NDC kind. Now I am picking commissioners in terms of their competency on the job as a whole, and let's judge it. 50 day one. Our bar office. I quite remember time our bar office. No, I was then the national organizer for PNC in 2016, 2017. So I was a member of IPAC. To be honest with you, we keep telling them, say, that is not how IPAC is being done. To extend, say, IPAC became a rubber stamp. IPAC is supposed to be an advisory body for political parties and the electoral commission. As an electoral commission, say, you need to consult the political parties because they are the stakeholders in whatever you do. But this particular commission became like so powerful to extend, say, whatever the political parties will say, at the end of the day, they will not listen. So they go keep making mistakes, repeating the same mistakes over and over. In 2020, we were in this nation. The woman announced 5 different results. And see why. And to be honest with you, nobody in this country realized the woman was incompetent. Nobody. To extent say we have gone for an election in 2024. Let's take it even for 2024.
Yeah.
In 2020, yako election. A whole 4 years, the people of SAR, the Electoral Commission, and who say SAR doesn't have a representative in Parliament. 4 solid years, they were not able to even come out to conduct an election. Ebe to me, ama ayede SAP and Krofo Enya, a member of Parliament. But in the end, what did we see? Obia wako Parliament amanfo to abama. Electoral Commission it is a court say once anko to abano for within some few weeks they were able to organize another elections in Ase North. Fast forward, yembi say even this 2024 election yembi say Electoral Commissioner not tesono. What is preventing them from announcing Ablekuma results? And to be honest with you, every serious country also making sure that any democracy will not entertain such commissioners at post. Until for me, I don't think we should look at the statement Esedun Ketia said. We should look at the competency in those commissioners because they have failed us and they have failed as commissioners to extend Yatuaba 6 months. They cannot declare just one constituency election. And nobody is talking about it. And we are happy. And we call them, say they are commissioners and they are capable of doing the work. What work are they capable of doing? What work are they capable of doing? You see, sometimes when people speak the truth, because of politics in this country, now you are turning into a different perspective. If they were competent enough and they have been able to plan ahead of the elections here, in case results here, no way se mina mawini or china way se mina mawini in ka erinye de emma. Debi amikasi, these are not the only commissioners we have ever had in Ghana. Yenya commissioners bebre. Ora Farijan, Ogusuti ho. Mamia Baino Obeto 21 eminent persons are also sebribi ko chima ewo aswewa she will consult them. Bisa who say Sankrofo no way. Simply because the way Obihave who electoral commission hono as if say the whole commission is in her pocket. And for me, I think say inka omembiswa they would have resigned by now. They would not even wait to say people should even come out with petition to petition the president say onyi wongedi. They are incompetent. They cannot continue to be handling the elections of this country because wonga ye imaye who say won't me nye adwuma no mfitiase no na ye feel say wo betumi aye adwuma no but e end up say adwuma no won't me ye say wo hwe one first major elections awoye okrom ha ina mami who say they are incompetent. Who first major election what do you see district assembly elections in 2017
then about kind
full stuffing ballot papers they cannot do anything. The whole thing was messed up. But you see oman way esa asumye ene the way intermarriages etinity enunti na sabe aya bibi se enen to enfant to kwamba no na sanka ye krobi so here to about 6 months. One constituency, just one, you cannot declare the results, and you are still at post. Now say, Yamoy and Samumau. And then what country are we living in? What country are we living in? Senka, president to me, go ahead straight to say, Wapamonga and Konye. Because me, I don't see the reason why they are still at post.
All right, na yako na yenimadi Jibril Edinkomo ono or a deputy director of elections NDC. The reason why they want to do this, we would want to find out from them. Well, where other asem ye ha adwen me wow be this particular issue no kwekwe so ma na me ne Jibril ndi nkobo na area that wabem alright Jibril am akwa baba for God and country on SOMPA 106.5 FM.
So yeah.
But we know you said we are deputy director of elections ma NDC amanyoko no. Good. Now then tipana mu national chairman ade ababa to Ghana for enim say ekawnu kwa anka aye electoral commissioner ene nipa mienu bia o ka omo no sankrofo ni nyina no yenyi omo emfiri ho. Why would the national chairman of the NDC put out this kind of information to the public?
So, my main fact when you went here with you for your brain. Then the pastor who can say, or national chairman, account on Kwan Ghana, Rana, your woman. Opia, ever to me, ever the right to express his opinion, or Namabia, Ekoswa, any. That opinion, no, national chairman express here, no, or based on his rights. Say, Namibia send electoral commission, Omio Mujumano, or no dear, or say, and send certificate and commit to national I Juma again towards the next elections. Now, any mama, because the Kaya. The same commissioner we saw to make the national chairman we are before. As a part said, Waba, as I am saying, IPAC meeting was ready. And was no, on what field say, Mr. Reno was ready, yes, no, never. National chairman are raising this issue, and he may even he gave also reason. Mentia, also say, Queen Yabu of one, like I said. I think he was right. One of the things he mentioned in the history of our elections, one commissioner elections, almost elections be a under only no in TV over 2020 elections issued by over 2023 elections over Kaya Rebi Amrano and Juma ye okay so be my brother was saying to Abamano, to Abama, no. Later you come to that correct those issues. 2024 elections, same problem. You look at it, say Krapono, Ablukumanov, just a law. How the Juma? What in a Kuma, they are open anyway up to them. We have not completed the issues. So there are many things when you look at it, listen to the national chairman, and those of us who are following election, you can say, if 2 elections about say there. What if the next elections? What will happen? Will it be a presidential election that will be in the year now? So I think the chairman on his right, you know, some more kind of deal with him also.
And some way pan can national chairman e can anu tumu e wo ho a anka na ebe di sankomo yi.
Oh, that then asam anka na bo bi samende. Because in
Koma ye this is ye. When him say Chief Justice there or a man for Kase, a man yourself and a omegina so, Beso Unifrio, and so change some Rosua, and just an it here. I said, don't get as I the way about a boom. Until Chinabino say, could trigger the process to take off a year the electoral commission now, commissioner now, and the other commissioners are not like I say. The whole thing is political. I don't know, man. You're for maybe say, I
agree with you on that score because you cannot take anybody's view on that point. BBC, AC, or like I say, especially in this country, we be in fact, or in the this is the country that we are in. But I believe, especially in that was 13 view. If say party say okay, party say you have to file on those issues. So you know, can say you electoral commission you demand. You know, can say you don't do. In fact, the last 3 days you have to put any discussions on some of the issues. So, as I said, or no, Mr. Chairman asked the view. yes, some people will say nanka wanka hatemna is here. But even so wanka help wanka kraponwa. The men sabana obi kopete say you know a man for beka say a political. That's what will change this from say wakasa wankata. So will comment say a political. And I only the party to nanka one comment in a koya. Enka say political. Even see the day we krapono. Obi an comment to krapono see the nanka say a political. Now no is also for so yen the agent in free of mental on so can.
We are to bring my fan communities why. Me da se pass only yen gedin komo. Sometimes I become agitated and feel very, very embarrassed because I'm on your phone. Who say Ghana?
You see, it is the
no. On a more serious note, who say your mind?
It is the perception and the way you think, but that is what you have given to them. When I say you have given to them, you have asked them. Say, in all institution, in everything that we do, the politicians to take over.
Oh,
so in our courtroom. In our education,
our health sector. What's an annual health for cry echo a year? Your friend is a strike. A cray. Near Baba Casa a year. Almost your friend is a Ghana Registered Nurses Association or Midwife Association. Almost you know, as in Ukru a MPP.
So for me, I always say until we amend our constitution, now you need to me say the constitution is outmoded, and it is time to look into our constitution now. Say ya never con. Because look, time and I constitution no. Na never be my. Say any be na Bahama. We punch holes in our own constitution, and at the end of the day, no, we beat kabibia pa. We say our constitution no. But in reality, no, I didn't know cano and the constitution no. Opposite direction. But the original constitution no wakata ni no waka. Anything that bibia no say is in our constitution. Once it's in our constitution, there's nothing you can do.
I wish for Baba won't change here, but the Ahunka pain relieving heat patch will jam and to a come up. But all your bar now I ask na ya Ujun Wengia, but more than to be Nafata, I ask Nasaka abuse Ahunka pain relieving heat patchy, Sampuru Junkuna Ayaoya. And I want to mean I we are Otaye Juma, then could drum and so. Ubanoa bre, we are missing, we are carpet, Nubanoa bre. But about in a pair Ahunka pain relieving heat patchy be Nafatari, baby a yano. Simakume Binaya on in Johnny. My person Uber Fred 0599 802 297. Again, call 0248 509 003. Ahunka pain relieving heat patch. Me patcho Obama heat na u feeling ayera. Na patcho sa upe biato and upe bietu atong soa. So wo kumase a bomodina for we Alpha Dio Pharmacy. Panacea Pharmacy, Dana Pharma Limited, and Crime, Greenlight Pharmacy, Origin Chemist, Repast Ventures, more Cape Coast, Busi Pharmacy, Cape Coast Ventures, Eastern Region, Gabson Pharmacy, Drug Right Pharmacy, Fakra Day, Ebuako Pharmacy, Not Chemist, and a Dear Pharmacy. Nasaka, you say Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic, as you swear, Seneka for God and country. Na yare kwankro de ya. Nkankan obi a wanya ndwudwe stroke no wakampem no ntimi nko ayasabia. But to say who was at bia de mo a Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic for say to enim say ubo modern now ti o ma huma ni mo a o ma be hwew ewo fie. Enti bo modern na fa otete na from sisi a 0244 867068. Again, read them on 027 423 4321. Winning numbers I'll bet me afro so. Now, Osho Mocha Quang Ewo a year in crying ha. Omo shell signboard. Spinter Squano so Kumase Omo a henema koko big. Hora kwa ubehu a year Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. Kwegu, Minimso your submission here. We attend to some calls because if you person of fresh him almost so much drink. Kwegu mbacho itio.
Oh, me the I can say all can say me say amanyofo. Say amanyofo no move free space na buy. Nipa na ye wo mind mu na amanyofo no efrim. Na opeso hu Ghana da chi pa. have follow student elections. So follow student election of various university campuses. And I bone say I nye bibi anfa de ekoso no ho emwa. Em say nipa na etim no te say de na kan ye no. De ekoso no nipa ne pe. Ntina ekoso say because we've given almost every power to the politician. It is a politician penny be cry can say na nya cry na you get a chunk of people defending the Panakan Union. The Ubisami and say, General Mosquito, Asem no one can Kebedi. They say, Asem will have a champion, and Asem be a fatawa. At your level, so conversation with them.
That's my
say. Me buy am and another discussions, and an anacra with your submission away. Or they start to say. Ebia omuniwa ebia comes my example say during Charlotte say time assembly election and I make crime contest even you no thought SOMPA FM ochana ne atoa ni nyina no nyoma enkoye but what the to obi competence ho a ebi kura na sika nipa ne hia so de be adwuma no yamfa man and this what the koye say nipa ne competent na no gyina so yi na dia omote na yisis no so no enye directors na commissioners no kwa na ye adwuma no ene ma no bebre ho abekọ form no you get people are no yenya nto aba no kra no nipa person o ye den o wini no so misbehave na create a lot of problem ye to aba we ya constituencies become an ye our friends recollection
aye
me na chantere no me yimi ma me ba tesane chale nessa wani afi every time bina meraho because o hwe say pink sheet mienu anabo ya boma constituency pink sheet no one polling station 2 pink sheets in the polling station ba ko pink sheet bebre pink sheet no one etema omumienu and clearly what things about ko de ye said that tema no kofele and nti na me on pebone rejected ballot na e say basoma accounting ne so amaso o de sa so bo we kobo e ma me je mensa let me count it. They may have their issues but no man e keka bo aggregate me adika say aba na omoto ye no problems aba hwe baby and declare 3 polling station
applicable there
the whole constituency returning office abakatem zone figures now polling station bia so no near wo polling officer how ye easy for na afa na adwuma asana political parties ni nyina adwom agent enyina to mamu say yenya figures easy say police for momebo yenya ade no yenya a friend say coalition no
yeah
dan pare ankasa you buy ono so nkasa ade no edade then the pressure goes to the EC they stakeholder abroad and here asoma no senior ade na ehwehwe if an person yedru na den na say ye no ma na no ya ye cry party mun sensem ba ye early congress me talk to Facebook wo say BBC a baby nipa no belong to no o ha na argument any political decision and I say reforms and I say amendment either a constitutional amendment or any reform e wadwuma mo no the obete so oba de na ba so no na ese bebo ana the obete so all come no odidi say nya dey enkoma no e natural so ana nyame e say we as because decision bia no e take care it be affect obi so be benefit from the decision e be taken and to a leader what you have to make sure is say decision now we take no nipa dodo na we take decision na ma omo no esa dodo no benefit na kakra bi na no kwa say aso mo parochial interest bi nti na no mo pese change in where there ebeba but I say Ghana no I sharply divided which I think said na wo kan ebe kakra no party no ebewura sorry mu ebewura religion
debut na kwagu asemena kan asorry Now you say I saw him cry remu did that. I saw him watch that. As a man,
so why are we heading?
I saw him watch that. I saw him watch that.
Let me who say your man. People put their political parties first before the country,
which is bad.
But elsewhere, especially
even in the US,
even China. If you are not part of the Communist Party, and our party no so 15 years no be a member, and now to say you have say akoto by constituency chairman, our Communist Party business is saying now when a human saying now the aba, I want no money. And even at the grassroots level, no crown, they look at how you, the leader, can develop the people. By had there, oh, Madame Fonono, we in the school. When I know Cromam say we won't try or we do trap, and they say, I quite say, I saw be iron who pesca, no the deposition, and 2 months of parliament. Then the panty or add them be go on person bay and yet empintino or copesi cardia cough for Macquacos or 2 from the Yentuna.
Kwekuma kwa marasora meni eti for ending kobo. Me bacho obeti my friend now the wadwinchire abeboa. Kai number of phrases so 0260 196064 0260 196065. We any number obeti my phrases so also ode wadwinchire betimi abeboa dwumadi no. So that's what it is. Ebisa say ye die ye ma me tokono ye enra no. Ade na eya de pa da na so say enya de pa ebi so bisa say why did NDC empenyin for so ebe respond here. You can call right up now 0260 196064. Hello, good evening.
Hello, Prof. Good evening.
Me pato dini baby wakasa free.
Pato free ya kasa free domi ya.
Ya wa kasa free domi ya wada ma pato iti why.
Pato mi chamu ni mire ya. Na mabonga baso ni jofa we. Na machia nkipi college na nkipi phone na. Ba na ubuta ensem bibi se de menyo fono mu ye no mo se yampa. Eno pene be se mi kiso. Because me can't say the Omoya Nene, already a feeding at you. I didn't have a question of Crumpo Bamwa, no Jintu. You ever say I'm on your son, Mudia, and the communion penny for a commutum of Wasi. Now, a Merayu didn't finance and I see another cost, no set to Masi. Now, one want to try the class and be a seminar bar, okay? Justice asked me about Muko campaign in Assam and Namudika. And no more now, Mamma, no right. Omani na sano ena mudiye komani so ma me no komo ye ne sa prof jomo ya kana kure me ho se amanya fo no mu amanya politics for omu queen bibia nya politics enye so ta se entura me che obi ya me da se bibia ba mi obi ya me cha no so ko ton kan no mba no ba no o si da bibia ba obi ara o ye ne ho chia no Nyame mo no ho ban na wono de manin kasa kam se bebe nipa wonya nsa so wankasa bebiri nti ono na adwemu do nti wankasa nti so ye twen no se bi no baba me no ababoaye eti o nyina nyame kam
Berase pass over to radio. So you can also call 0260 196064 0260 196065 obetimi afre 0260 196064 0260 196065. Winning number with your phrases so that you didn't come afa a year and then come dia ye dino for God and come to you. So hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me ba to wana me no ka say.
Otomide de kwaku yaba mkasa free kwashiman.
Kwaku yaba e kasa free kwashiman. Wadar man pacho eti.
Otumebo mabaso ne djuma fa amudi.
That's it.
Me hu say ye beto campaign and this for ye nyina no mo kasa say Chief Justice no MPP for ni into MPP ni into mbo mepamom. Ebiem sa na soja for say sa me demfi etimi ka so ba soja company for mo nyo mesa ko mi na ni nyina so abem. Nti say Chief Justice na edu na so be ni fi ho mo a. Na why press conference I say an attorney general by
or press conference, I said no new evidence be a chance or the whole family panel court, no other press conference. We see a check on for conference to be to have a press conference. Here the map with the court, also be to have a press conference because you see one man who say Attorney General, as some court will do me back. No other press conference. We see I never come. I never come because I don't know more painting. I never come. That's it.
Meso me da wa say any wadwenkyira wo de abebo adwumadie no 0260 196064 0260 196065 yaboafo yebeko asoa adomase womo aboa yenye pa endpoint homeopathic clinic asida ene de bema mo saso na beda eye ahomka pain relieving heat patch womo so yebeda mo ase Medimafo Herbal Center Dr. Time Daso would also want to say a big thank you Hajia Special Local Foods Mosumaya dear yedamo ase baba be call na be de call away and the kobo hello good evening.
Good evening, Prof.
Yeah, me pacho wana me de kase.
Oh, but original plan doing SOMPA de
sure, madam man pacho etio.
Prof, SOMPA de the mudutumleka emra mesoya sene na mo hwe moaye. Na go mukasa no, mukasa tan ya yetimi enuko. Oh,
ye kasa tan na mutimi enupe.
Enupe e na mbanzo bu anu kwa iso te waso ye pa na wati asem kro.
Hey.
Me ano kwasa wo de ofa mo mfle mo hono na de mo musa.
Okay, ye be fredi e bisa why? Why? Fachen.
But don't come you be say. Na Attorney General, in Central for NGO Moon and I say, any of the cars, someone I say, Emra, any of the cars. So, you know, so most is also a friend of the court. And indeed, on the one to a man and when I thought them was a much less than if I were move one day. Woman to man, I 2 months after and drop one for months amount to money, just a intention of move woman. And the